He is one of our best friends. He's an amazing stand-up comic from right here in Hollywood. Please give it up for Brian Wohl!
Oh my goodness, give it up once again for the rubber wheels and sex appeal of Lewberger. Oh my gosh. Wow. That was the bit that was too ridiculous for NBC. I'm so glad we got it tonight. It's so good to see you all, so good to be here. Tonight, although very happy moments, so many happy memories with the guys, in the meantime, I'm going to talk to you guys a little bit about how I've gotten by the past few years. Namely, whenever I feel like a failure. Whenever I feel like a failure, I take out my college degree. I look at it, say, did that, put it away. See, I know every single job application that I fill out, I get to check that box, college degree. And my prospective employer can't help but be compelled to read. Bachelor of Arts, Theater, Illinois State University. I've got to talk to that guy. Paula, hold my calls. I know I've got him. I got him. But if you don't have a college degree, or maybe if you're thinking about getting a postgraduate degree, a doctorate even, it's very expensive. I have a solution for you. Take a trip to Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. And for $200, you get to build your own lightsaber. And it will give you the exact feeling of a college degree. I'll elaborate. First, you select your hilt and accessories, your Kyber crystal that will symbolize the Jedi you wish to become. Much like picking a focus for your art major. Then, surrounded by your fellow Force wielders, you will construct your lightsaber. You will be told about the history of the Jedi and of your elegant weapon from a more civilized age. Once you complete your construction, all of you will raise your lightsabers in the air and ignite them, illuminating the room with your hope for a bright Jedi future. You hope to retain the information you received. You hope you all stay in touch. But you can't use your lightsaber in Disneyland, no. All you can do is take it home. And whenever you feel like a failure, just look at your lightsaber and say, did that. $200, college degree. It's amazing. And if you feel like you say, oh, I hear you skeptics saying, oh, my master's degree, I had to defend my thesis. You will be defending that lightsaber to all of your adult friends for the rest of your life. You're gonna be so good. I believe in you. So now that we know each other a little bit better, I think we can get a little bit deeper. By looking at me, you can probably tell I'm a spiritual person. Not just because I look like an attempted youth pastor. But my mother was raised German Lutheran. My dad is Jewish. So I'm a wrestling fan. You gotta believe in something. It's important. I believe The Undertaker has risen from the dead to fight for my entertainment. Yes. I believe I smell what The Rock is cooking. And I believe that John Cena is all around us, even though we can't see him. Now, Judaism is all about asking questions. Wrestling is about taking action. Christianity said, God so loved the world, he gave his only son so that we can have everlasting life. Well, Austin 3:16 says no God can stop you from getting your ass whipped by Stone Cold. You gotta believe in something. I just visited my family in Chicago for the Christmas holiday. It was real nice. I got to spend time with my grandpa, love hanging with him. And I particularly love being stoned with my grandpa. I know it's a big surprise, cannabis user, whoa. But yeah, he doesn't get high, but just me, a bunch. And when we hang out, it's great. When I'm high, I enjoy all the things my grandpa loves. A good peaty scotch, a nature documentary, and the taste of Werther's original caramels make us incredibly comfortable with the inevitability of our own deaths. You just suck the pain away. That's the new slogan for Werther's original. What else is going on? Oh, I'm in debt. I'm in debt. Oh, there's a few of us. Yes. I love my debt. It's always there for me. Rich people don't get that. They have to solve their actual problems and go to therapy, figure it out. I wake up, if I'm sad, I go, oh, I'm in debt. Moving on. Very simple. You know, my debt even gives me a number for exactly how sad I am. I'm negative 9,000 sad. Is anyone out there sadder than me? Hey, we're sad together. It's pretty great. What else? I live in Hollywood. Anybody live in Hollywood? Hey, there's a few of us. For the rest of you, why not? What's wrong? La Cunada's better? Oh, fuck off. You don't know that. I know, I get a lot of shit for living in Hollywood. People say it's scary. But I gotta tell you, if you take a couple of puffs, things that are scary become colorful. For me, Hollywood is my Sesame Street. All of my neighbors are animals, monsters, and two guys who are so poor all they can afford is a one-bedroom apartment. Everyone thinks they're gay, but they're just poor. I mean, what are Bert and Ernie gonna do? Anyone who has hung a label on those two has never been so poor they're sexless. It's rough. And we know now that doesn't mean that Muppets don't get it on. We all know Kermit and Piggy were doing it. They were getting it on. But that's because Kermit had two great jobs. He was a field reporter for Muppet News, and he was the head writer, executive producer, director, and star of his own live-to-tape television variety show. You bring home the bacon, you get the pork. Sesame Street and Hollywood, they're the same thing. Well, thank you guys so much. It's been so great to see you all. I'm Brian Wohl.